Hey everyone, it's Shayan here with another Upwork tutorial. After our deep dive into the importance of an optimized profile on Upwork, we are going to roll up our sleeves and get in action. I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I've earned plus $20,000 on the platform so far, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize your Upwork profile to get discovered on the search results and also boost your earnings on the platform. Without wasting the time, let's get started. First up, the profile photo. It's more than just a picture, it's your digital handshake. As you can see, a clear, well-lit photo where you appear professional and approachable makes a world of difference. That genuine smile, it's a game changer. Your title on Upwork is your headline that sells you your expertise and bring clients towards you. Now let's see how to craft a magnetic Upwork title for you. Specificity is the key. Highlight your niche and expertise right in the title to grab attention. Communicate clearly with the client what values do you bring to their project and what makes you different from other freelancers on the platform. Your description is your story. It plays a crucial role in convincing the client to purchase a package or hire you for their project. Now let's make sure that your Upwork profile description is very well optimized. First of all, make sure that your profile description is error-free and grammatically correct. In your profile description, talk about you, your skills, your expertise and past projects, but focus on the values that you provide to the clients. Focus on what clients can achieve from working with you, what makes you different from other freelancers on the platform. Additionally, use sections or emojis to make your profile description easy to read and easy to follow. Don't forget to keep it short, about 150 to 200 words for best results. Next, when it comes to optimizing your Upwork profile, you can actually add up to 15 skills to your profile in order to boost your chances of being found on the search results. Skills are your badge of expertise. Prioritize and showcase. Remember, it's about quality and relevance, not just the quantity. Your portfolio is actually where your work speaks for itself. Showcase projects that reflect your best work and provide insights into the challenges faced and solutions provided. Make sure to use high quality visuals, images, videos, case studies, or even PDF documents to maximize the effect of your portfolio. As you've seen, small tweaks to your Upwork profile can make the difference from being rejected to hired on the platform. Don't forget that your profile is your first impression, so make every section count. But crafting that perfect profile on Upwork can be challenging sometimes. That's where I come in. With UpRise tailored transformation sessions, I offer personalized coaching to make sure that your profile shines on the platform. Additionally, it's not only generic advice, it's tailored to your specific skills, goals, and industry. Remember, I'm offering limited spots to ensure focus on each individual. So if you are ready to elevate your Upwork career, make sure to check out the UpRise link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, guides and strategies about how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, happy freelancing.